Bees are incredibly efficient at collecting and transporting pollen, playing a vital role in pollination and ecosystem health. Bees collect pollen and store it in specialized structures called corbiculae, or pollen baskets. The corbiculae are concave structures on the shin of the bee's hind legs, which helps to contain the pollen. The pollen is moistened with nectar or other substances, making it sticky and more likely to adhere to the corbiculae. The corbiculae are surrounded by curved hairs that help to hold the pollen in place, preventing it from falling off during flight. As the bee forages, pollen accumulates on its front legs and body. The bee uses its front legs to scrape pollen from its body and mouthparts. The front legs then transfer the pollen to the middle legs. The middle legs pass the pollen to the hind legs. The hind legs then pack the pollen into the corbiculae, where it's secured for transport. This process involves precise leg movements and coordination, allowing the bee to efficiently collect and transport pollen.